Now let's walk through the Keyboard IGT. I'm back on the Dream Destination page and ready to start the keyboard test. I'll click to begin, and Ask DevTools reminds me to put the page in the state I want and not interact with it during the test. I hit Start, and DevTools begins automatically tabbing through every keyboard focusable element on the page. This process could take some time, especially on pages with several interactive elements. In this case, DevTools finds 61 tab stops. They're now all outlined and numbered on the screen. I click Next, and DevTools starts capturing screenshots of each tab stop. Now I'm asked to identify any elements that should have been in the tab order but weren't. As we saw during manual testing, the language and currency selector didn't receive focus, so DevTools caught that and has already pre-selected it. But this menu is a little bit tricky. It's designed in a way that makes it look like it should have 3 tab stops, but it's actually just one. DevTools picked up multiple items, English and USD separately, but that's not accurate in this case. I'll remove both of those using the trash icon and manually select the Swap Stations button and the Adult Ticket field, both of which were skipped through and didn't receive focus. I'll scroll through the page and make sure there's nothing else missing. Elements without a blue outline are the ones to watch out for. Quick note, any dialogues you tested manually, like the ones where the close button didn't receive focus, won't show up here unless they're currently active. You'll need to open the dialog before running the test for that issue to be detected. Now I'll click Next. The IGT has detected elements that were skipped in the tab order and asks if they have an alternative way to be used with the keyboard. For the Swap Stations button, there isn't, so I'll select No and then Continue. Next, DevTools checks if any element in the tab order are missing, a role that indicates interactivity to assistive technology. For each one, I'm asked to confirm the purpose. The one-way and return ticket tabs are both interactive, so those are fun. The calendar picker is also interactive. Axe DevTools uses artificial intelligence to pre-identify these elements, and right now it's spot on. Continuing by clicking Next, Axe captures screenshots of the elements with issues. From here, I could highlight, inspect, or read more about each one to understand what really needs fixing. Once I've reviewed them, I click Finish, and that wraps up this Keyboard IGT.